Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're going to be dropping off the 300ZX and we're going to be picking up the SC300, and we're about to start getting ready to get this thing cleaned up. So yeah, you guys noticed that I've been doing a lot more driving lately, and now I'm like in this mode where I'm like, bruh, I hella just want to get back into drifting and driving. So we're on a 300ZX, about to finish this thing up, throw a little slightly more angle at it. I'll probably have them do the hydro, and we're also going to be throwing in a new wire harness in there. I found out that Wire Specialties now offers a SR20 to 300ZX harness conversion. So instead of the custom harness that I have, we're going to go with the Wire Specialties unit, get that in, and hopefully we won't have any more issues with this thing. It's like crazy because as soon as we finished up the tune, got this thing all done, bam, didn't want to start back up. So I'm hoping the wire harness gets everything situated because I'm ready to drive, man. I'm ready to drive. I just want to drive. So yeah, I'm pushing White Aaron to get ready to start driving. I'm about to be driving with my boy Lex's son more, so I need my purpose drift car to be, you know, ready and up on command when it's time to go. But yeah, anywho, still need to get transit stuff dealt with on here, but I'm gonna end up getting this trans pulled and having it rebuilt. But the car we dealing with today is my 300ZX. She all dirty and stuff. It's been sitting here for hella long waiting for this freaking harness. It's on flat. Yeah, so let me get some air in this thing, grab the keys and all that, and start. At least want to get it cleaned up a little bit before Lex gets here. But yeah, finally should have my drift car ready again, man. Jesus. All right, just got done cleaning this thing up, all nice and clean now, and we're just waiting on Lex to get here. Straight up drift car now. Yeah, he thought we was gonna be winching, huh? Hand winching.
We could have did that
with no handbrake.
That's the killer part, because you need the handbrake to do it this way.
Drift car, bro. Just about to have a hydro bot next week.
I got you, Chief.
And then I'm gonna go sun your son.
Yeah,
he about to get it.
Internal battle.
He about to get it.
That's hilarious to me.
It's our first time officially using the winch.
I know.
All the other times we don't never use it. All right, we good.
All right, you're done.
Your Harbor Freight winch.
What is
All right, we got her up there. This thing light.
I know it's light. It's got to be like 28 or 2900 pounds.
28. All right, all loaded up. Today is about to be a mission. Probably about to hit hell traffic. Hour drive there. Hour and a half, 2 hour drive to go pick up the SE. An hour drive back. We'll have to be on the road for a few. Mission time.
Big missions.
All right, we're just pulling up. About to offload the 300ZX. And then we picking up the SC300. My Pope baby, look at her. Oh my God. The sun out here is harsh. Hey, look at this. It smell like cow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
I know this thing is whooped.
That nigga got the bacon seafoam wrap. Nigga, what happened?
This look like the coronavirus right here.
Oh, your shit is flaking.
It's a clear coat. Shh. I got a patina. I'm gonna leave it like this and just be gapping niggas. They're gonna be like, bro, I got whooped by the farm SC.
Some nigga dug up a submarine from the bottom of the sea and aired my shit. Man, that's crazy. Golly, dude.
I know, it's bad. We're on our way to make her clean.
Yeah. I wouldn't want to be the one pulling that wrap off though.
Yeah. That's why I'm not the one pulling it off.
You should have saw when I dropped the vert off to have them painted with all that plastic dip on it when we first did that. They charged me like $400 to get that shit off. I'll say alright, because I didn't want to do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's good. Whatever it gotta be is whatever it gotta be.
Yeah.
Just above it, so it was
Yeah,
like,
my RX-8's like that.
just above it, so how good would it hit?
Oh, you got all the spiders out, huh? Thank you. Appreciate you.
How we looking back there?
What's dragging? Oh, clutch slave. Let me grab that.
Oh,
We
yes,
wanted to make sure it was
Yeah, just pull it up.
decent looking inside.
All right, we're good. Oh, girl, man. To think this was the world famous SC300.
I can't believe it. All right, let's.
This is like Pinky, porn star Pinky. Now that she all whooped.
Yeah.
These are gonna be coming off. We're gonna be swapping this. I'm gonna put this thing back on 19s. 19s and stickies. Better trans. Triple disc.
Gonna
do some-
the transmission.
Man, we're gonna throw it on 20s and do some donk racing, man.
Yeah, go race Dunk Master.
Alright, so for y'all that's been asking about the 370Z, let me go show y'all real quick. No, it's not this one. This one's not mine. This one is clean though. My 370 is right here. And what happened was we sent the ECU out to Z1 because I was gonna have them reflash the tune on here. Originally, you guys know this thing was tuned on 93. So yeah, it was originally tuned on 93. So I wanted to get it tuned on 91 for our shit, but during transport or something, we can't find the ECU. So it's been lost for like 2 months, but we got the coilovers and everything for it. I'm literally just, I gotta figure out the ECU stuff. Once we get the ECU back in tune, then we'll commence with jumping on this thing and yeah. But for everybody that's been asking about the 370, ECU just got lost, so we have no ECU now. But damn, this is clean. I like this. You good? It's KBD. They'll send me another one. Worst case scenario. Lifelong sponsorship.
Hey, this pull's way easier than the Z. The Z was literally torquing this thing.
Here, let's push from the back. We'll help you push. Ready? They got that Harbor Freight winch.
Up there?
Yeah, we up.
Booty hanging off?
Booty definitely hanging off. You gotta go a little further if you don't want the cheeks hanging off that thing.
But that's
Ooh,
moving.
oh, he might not be that bad.
Like almost perfect on.
Oh, he gonna be good.
Yeah.
Look, he gonna be good. It's just
That's a good
certain spots, man.
Yeah, wait till that heat treated area come up, you know.
So yeah, I already decided to. I'm gonna buy a new hood. I wish I could buy a new roof, but we can't do that. We can't buy new fenders. We do got a new bumper, so it's really the front fender, the doors, and this area that is gonna be a struggle, and the wing. I have an OEM trunk, but this thing is hella heavy, and I'd like to keep this on here because it adds for the traction in the back. This thing's like 60, almost 70 pounds because The wing is normally hollow. Chopped the edges off and literally stuffed hella Bondo and stuff in here. That's probably one of the smarter things Twinkie did on accident. Just stuffed hella filler in there, make it hella heavy, but it works and helps with the power, so I commend him on that. All right, we just pushed the 300ZX in, and now me and Lex are about to be shaking. We're about to be off to SAC, so about an hour, probably hour 40. Sheesh. Mission.
On the mission, man.
Whew. Man, y'all can't even see me right now. We hella dark, but shit, y'all can't see nothing. What's up, blood? They looking in they're in the dark right now. They can't see nothing.
What's good with you? Damn.
I know, right? This thing, woof.
Is that Bondo or is that the wrap cracking?
Probably both, but I'm pretty sure this Twinkie originally did this, so okay. This is cracking Bondo right here.
She gonna pull off the whole quarter. What?
It's been a couple years. It's been sitting in the sun too. It's not as bad as my 350Z cracking. It's actually fiberglass under here. So he used the fiberglass stuff. And I think right here you can see this line right here. I'm pretty sure this is where the fiberglass meets the polyurethane. So you feel this right here? This polyurethane.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah. I wanted this to be able to stretch and flex. But this up here is fiberglass. I basically cut 2 fenders in half to make these custom fucking wide fenders. But you can feel this is soft. It's just enough for flex.
Yeah.
This is originally gonna be for drifting, so if somebody kind of bumped it, it wouldn't crack. It'll just fold. But we no longer drifting this now, so it's gonna be the Gap Mobile.
In California.
It's like, oh man, beat as many people as we can. It's gonna be a lot faster now. It's 1,000 plus for sure. Man, crazy to believe how clean this car used to be. I mean, you can still see the skeleton of the exterior, like no cracks in the dash. All the LRB panels on here, rear LRB panels. So really just the aesthetics on the outside that need some milk. Ready?
The wing ain't gonna pop off it.
Huh?
Wing ain't gonna pop off.
Nah, the wing will be good. Oh shit. Ready? Yeah. Go.
Awesome track.
Got this thing in here. She's about to be next to start getting cleaned up. Start her resurrection. Check out the Fox real quick. Come check out the color on the Fox body. Ooh. Now he knows what color I'm going, but I don't think he's seen it yet. I already told you the color, right?
No.
I could have sworn I sent you pictures
No.
of the color I was doing.
No, you treat me like everybody on social media.
Nah, cap. I bet you if you look in your phone, there's gonna be some pictures of the color I'm going.
I left my phone in the truck. It's not.
Here go the trunk right there. You can see it.
Trunk right where?
Right here. It's all dusty. There, you can see the door jamb. Where the microfiber?
Oh no, I see it.
Man, look at my seats, man.
Air compressor, take that right out.
I gotta make sure I detail this thing when it leaves. He be calling people out.
You know what that's off of?
That's kind of deep, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see, micro.
Yeah, that shit deep.
You know what this color is?
Nah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Close.
Close. It looks like the new color of the car.
It is.
Okay.
Yeah,
That out now.
that is.
That's why I wasn't trying to
Yeah.
go. Yeah. Okay.
It is that color.
Yeah.
All right, man. So we're about to be shaking, getting up out of here. Got to check out the Fox body. SC's here, so yeah, got to figure out what color I want to do the engine bay, get all that stuff situated. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all once I get back to the house. Whew. All right, my peoples, man. We back home. Today was a long day. My back hurt. Long day of just driving, but at least we got these cars all situated. Got things where they needed to be. So yeah, hopefully the 300ZX will be done sometime next week. I got a few things I want to do, but yeah, we'll rather be seeing a lot more drifting content. I'm back in my mojo. I'm ready to drive. I'm tired of building, but at least I can start getting some driving content in, man, and tandems and just perfecting and just getting back to being a driver. So that's what's my main priority. You guys see SC's dropped off, getting ready to get that thing cleaned up. Cams are at the shop, still waiting on pistons, but for the most part, they're going to start assembling my 2J. I am going to be making some changes, man. I'm about to be making a lot of changes. The SE more than likely now is going to be like the freeway car or the drag car and stuff. So I'm going to drive it around on 19s, but I do plan on building a custom set of forged wheels and putting a drag pack on there when it's time to get down for business. I'm about to change everything up on that car. I'm going to redo the trans combo. Probably do a T56, that way I can get a monster triple disc in, or a McLeod or something. I got to figure out what I'm going to do, but we do plan on doing a T56. That way we got something that's going to hold the power, clamping force, because this car is going to be over 1K for sure. But the cool part is, since I'm going to be taking my 300ZX trends out, I'm actually about to be buying another JZ sometime soon, within probably the next week or two. And I'm going to just start assembling that thing on the side. It's not going to be a 2J. It's going to be a 1J. And I plan on just basically essentially doing like a 500-600 horsepower JZ as a backup motor for either probably my 300ZX or something. So I always wanted the JZ swap my 300ZX. So I may possibly later during the off season maybe swap it, maybe keep it. But I do plan on doing a JZ and something else. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, anywho, you see I'm doing a PB dance. I got to go in here and pee. So yeah, things are about to start getting done, and we're about to start turning up on the channel, man. More driving, less building, more having fun. That's how the new motto going forward. So hopefully we ain't gonna be going to shops like, oh, we gotta do this today. We're going to chill and do this. We're replacing blah 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 because we broke that. Like, hopefully no more of that. Anywho, man, like always, thank y'all. Love y'all greatly for always rocking with your boy and supporting. I've been talking to Granny. Granny seems to be doing better. We're still planning day by day with the whole little situation. So I will definitely keep y'all informed on, all our Granny. My Granny is your Granny, and all that good stuff. But yeah, man, love y'all. Deuces.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas too shady. Speed limit 65. I'm about to do